Hi everyone, I'm Janelle and today I'm going to show you how to get brighter, bigger, wider eyes using all L'Oreal Paris products. Let's get into it. The first step when making your eyes look bigger is contouring the eyes a certain way. We're going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Bronzer, and we're just going to apply this bronzer just slightly above your crease. And I'll drag it forward, and then I'm going to just elongate it. Along with your eyes looking bigger, we also want to elongate the eye and give it more of that open, longer look so they're bigger all around. And I just really like to buff it out. So as you can see, the color is sitting just above the crease of my eye. And I'm just going to go ahead and do it on the other side. And just like that, we've perfectly contoured just above the crease. So now I like to go ahead and just go on the lower lash line, just underneath, and drag a little bit of that bronzer underneath the lash line. This will leave space to have still the light waterline, which we are going to highlight, and then it'll bring the darker shades to make it open. And I like to extend it out just a little bit to meet that other upper eyeshadow. With eyeliner, you just want to apply to the outer thirds of the eye, no more in, because the more you draw it in, the more you're going to get a more almond shaped look, and we really want this to be a more open, wide-eyed doll look. So I'm just going to be taking the L'Oreal Infallible Precision Liquid Felt Tipped Liner in black. We're just going to focus on the middle of the eye and dragging that liquid liner up. So just like this will start really making the eye look bigger, especially once we add mascara. So I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye. So I've elongated the eyeliner on both sides as well to give me more of a longer open eye look. But if you don't want to do that, you can just apply the liner to the edges of the eye to still give you that open, doll-like look. Now we're going to go into mascara. You could always use a lash primer to really help lift your eyes and really give that extra boom. But when you're using the L'Oreal Panorama Mascara, who needs primer? This is really going to make your eyes just pop. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the mascara and we're gonna go at the base of the lashes and kind of wiggle it and then swipe up. So that black, that jet black, is really getting at the base and then lightening up as you pull up. So as you can already see, my eye is so open and just alive. So we'll do the other side. The eyes are already popping and we're not even done yet. Another tip I love to do is tight lining the eye, not with black or brown, but a super light eyeliner or an eyeliner to match your iris shade. I do have some blue in my eyes, so I'm going to take the L'Oreal Infallible Grip Gel Mechanical Eyeliner in a blue shade. And what I'm going to do is just go underneath the eyeliner and pop that blue. Any color that matches the iris of your eye will help open the eye more. If you want to apply some to your bottom lash line, don't go in the waterline, go just underneath it, just on the corners. Then there's a trick called tight lining. It's when you take a white or a nude shade and just go in the bottom lower waterline, and that'll help brighten up the eye. So I'm going to take the L'Oreal Paradise Les Shadow Stick, and this is in the shade Twinkly Rose. And what you're going to do is you're just going to draw in that lower lash line, just starting from the corner and dragging it out. Also adding something with a little shimmer will help kind of twinkle the eye. So as you can see, it just opened the eye a little bit more. What I also like to do is take the same eyeshadow stick or the same kind of champagne color, apply this to the center of my eyelids, my brow bone, and in the corner of my eye to give that bright lifted effect, because you're highlighting all the points that will make the eye open. Especially if you brighten them, it's going to brighten everything up. I'm going at the corner of my eye and then at the center. Do this to the other side. And this shadow stick is so pigmented. It's so pigmented, so you don't need a lot. And then the brow bone. And I just like to take a brush and just kind of blend it out, just so it all blends together. See how the light just catches that twinkle? Here's the finished look, but let's talk about some do's and don'ts to do if you want a bigger eye look. First thing, keep your eyes neutral. Using more natural shades will just kind of open the eye and give you more of that natural look and shadowing that will give you a bigger eye look. Use any dark eyeliner very sparingly. Like I said, if you apply it into the waterline, it's going to really tighten up the eye and make it more of an almond shape, where we want more of this open, fresh, awake look. So use eyeliner sparingly and avoid overlining. So doing too much could actually weigh down the eye instead of lift it up. And there you have it, how to get bigger, brighter, more elongated eyes using all L'Oreal Paris products. If you want to find more, head over to l'orealparisusa.com and check it out. All links will be below. Bye.